Welcome. In front of me I have ULEFONE Armor 3W and I'll show you how we can activate Hey Google. So at the first we have to go for the Google folder and then find the Google app. When we are here we have to move for the more and then tap on the settings. And right now we have to go for the voice, click on the voice match, then tap on the switcher, just tap on it to activate this feature. And if you are using this feature for the first time, you will get circle like that. You have to say a few times OK Google and Hey Google. OK Google, Hey Google, and the last time Hey Google. Click next. As you can see, we are ready. So right now when we say Hey Google or OK Google, our assistant will be activated. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!